Hi all, welcome again on my channel. In this video, I will cover one more topic from SAP MM. It's small and easy topic, how to scrap material in SAP MM. Before starting with video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. So let's start with video. So what is exactly scrapping? So whenever there is some material which has no value and you cannot use that material for anything in your company, in that case, what companies do? Companies scrap that material using appropriate method, but same time they update that in their inventory in order to keep appropriate inventory count. So scrapping process is an internal process in which if the product is damaged or broken and it carries no more resale values, then in that case material is removed from inventory. It also usually removed from the inventory by posting its value against cost center, most probably scrapping cost center who bears the all scrapping cost. As I said, it's small topic, so there are certain movement that we use for scrapping. So I will explain all these three movements here. So first movement is 551, in which if your stock that you wanted to scrap exists in unrestricted stock, then you will scrap that with movement type 551. If your stock is exist under quality inspection, then you will use movement type 553 to scrap that material. And if your stock is exist in block stock, then you will use 555 in order to grab that stock. Also, if your stock exists in GR block stock, then you cannot scrap from GR block stock. You can only scrap from block stock but not from GR block stock. So now I will show you in the system how to scrap the material. I will check stock first with MMBE. This is the material that I'm going to use. Just I'm executing it. Now I have stock 20 in unrestricted, 20 in quality inspection, and 20 in block stock. So I can use that. Now I will show you how to exactly scrap. So go into the new window and run T code MIGO. So there is no different T code. You have to use MIGO directly. Under MIGO, select here goods issue. Then in next tab, select others. Then here movement types. So there are various movement types all from 551C. These are the movements. For example, this 551. Also note that if you have special indicator against your stock, let's say consignment stock or stock against sales order or customer stocks, so you can scrap that as well with appropriate special indicator. So here I am just gonna scrap stock from unrestricted use. It won't has any special indicator, so I will select 551. But in your case, if there is special indicator, you can select appropriate one. So once you select, then provide details here. So for which material I wanted to scrap, so I will provide that material. In my case, it's 116. Then press enter. Then quantity, how much quantity you want to scrap. So 5, let's say I want to scrap 5, maybe that's damage. Then press enter. Again, from where, so which plant and storage location. So I'm giving appropriate one. In my case, you may give your appropriate one and check from here from which stock you wanted to scrap it. So unrestricted. Then account assignment tab is important here as we provide against cost center. So I'm giving cost center. If you give GL and cost center, then also it select, but then in that case it will post that against particular GL account from this. So I'm selecting here cost center, then tick OK. Same way, if in your case there are different movements, you can select. For example, let's say I will add one more tab here for different movement. In my case, let's say for 553, if I wanted to scrap from 553. So again, same material. Then let's say this time I'm going to scrap two quantities from quality inspection. Again, same plant. Same details, nothing changed. Then account assignment. Yeah, then account assignment here. Oh, here should be second. And again check. And same way you can do for 555 as well if your stock is in block stock. Then save it. So now that stock has been removed. So I will check again. So my quantity previously for 20 for all. Now it should be removed 4 and 2. So I will go back and I will again run MMB. Execute. So see, now from unrestricted I have scrapped 5 quantity, and from quality inspection I have scrapped 18. So 2 quantity. So now 18 remaining, and from block stock I haven't removed anything. So, but you can try for that as well. Now next thing is what will be the accounting entry. So I will show you accounting entry. So whenever you scrap material, so 2 accounting entries hits BSX, that is for stock account. So whatever material you have and its its configuration in background for BSX, it will hit that account. And one more, like as per your valuation class, whatever assignment you have under GBB and VNG under OBYC, it will hit that account. So we will check that in system. So how to check that you already know. So again, open that recently posted document in display, open that, go into doc info, and then FI documents, then accounting documents. So here you can see all the postings. So these are the 2 accounts hit. But in case of GBB, there is also account modifier, that is VNG. So you can check that in OBYC as well. If you go in OBYC, check for your GL account, check under appropriate chart of account. So you can go in OBYC and check for GBB and BSX. But for GBB, you should check GBB VNG. So that's how we scrap material, and these are the accounting entries. So that's it for this video. In case guys you have any question, put in comment section, and also share this video with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.